Greetings, seekers of astrological wisdom, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we delve into predicting the fate of marriage using ancient principles. In this lecture, we shall explore the factors that determine whether a marriage will happen or not. So without further ado, let's embark on this journey. As usual, we start with the planets that symbolize the querent and the quesited. The Lord of the Ascendant and the Moon represent the querent, while the seventh house and its lord signify the quesited. If the Lord of the Ascendant, or the Moon, is in conjunction with the Lord of the seventh, in dignified positions of the Lord of the seventh, and is in the Ascendant, 11th, or 10th house, but not strongly in the seventh, then victory is granted to the querent, who will successfully win over the person they desire. If both significators form a sextile or trining to each other, located in the 11th, 9th, 7th, or 5th houses, with or without reception, and if there are no other prohibitions or hindrances, then the marriage will be successful, assuming, of course, the querent exercises their free will to tread the matrimonial path. Yet, not all unions are so smooth. If the significators form a square aspect with reception, the marriage will be accomplished, but with some difficulties to overcome. However, if there is no reception, then there are only hopes and no solid grounds to judge that the marriage will actually take place. In contrast to the rules of the ancients, I have consistently found that when the Lord of the seventh house is in the ascendant, the querent has loved more intensely, and conversely, when the Lord of the Ascendant was in the seventh house, the quesited loved more passionately. If the significators do not directly aspect each other, but another planet transfers their influence through a favorable aspect, then the matter will be accomplished by the person indicated by that planet. You can determine the description of this person based on the sign where the planet is located and their characteristics related to the house they rule. A masculine and diurnal planet represents a man, while a feminine, nocturnal planet represents a woman, or a man with feminine traits. If a planet transfers the disposition of the significators, observe the identity of that planet and to whom it transfers its disposition. Pay attention to whether it is retrograde, combust, unfortunate, or cadent from its own house, or if it is in opposition or square aspect to a malefic planet without any reception. If none of these negative conditions are present, then the matter will be successfully achieved and continue, especially if the transferring planet is a benefic. In such cases, the matrimony will be prosperous, and the individuals involved will love each other harmoniously. And there you have it, where the fate of unions is etched in the cosmic dance of significators and planets. Remember, dear seekers, the stars advise, they do not compel. Until our next astrological exploration, keep gazing skyward and pondering the mysteries of the universe. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.